Good morning to all of you. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah ji, Honorable Minister for State for Shakti, Government of India, Mr. Raj Bhushan Chaudhary ji, my colleague who is a representative of the Karnataka in New Delhi, Mr. T.B. Jayachandra, Mr. Jones Cornelis Martin, who is the Vice President of the World Bank, Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Subhash Yadav, who is our Karnataka State Officer, now in Delhi, who will help us in the future for all our irrigation projects, Mr. Anupam Prasad, Chairman, Central Water Commission. I hope he will give justice to all of us to help Karnataka and Bangalore especially. Mr. Professor Toshab Koel, Mr. Sharma ji, the President of the International Commission of Large Dams, and Professor Satyam Savai, who has been here on the Indian Institute of Science. Today, I am very happy to mark this milestone for our great important program. Friends, you all know that today we have completed 1,000 days of office in Karnataka after this victory in Karnataka. We had a big program in Haveri, but because we had committed that we will host this program, we had to postpone this. So we thought that today we requested my Chief Minister to come and inaugurate. So on this auspicious program, it is immense pleasure to address this gathering at the International Conference on Dam Safety, which is being held today and tomorrow. This Indian Institute of Science is a very important place with a historic background. This Karnataka state where you are here is a historic state. We first had a power introduced in the entire Asia in 1902. A hydroelectric power was stationed in Shivsamudra, which was being given to Kolar Goldfield. It is a birthplace of electricity generation in Asia. You are in a state where renowned for producing one of the largest number of engineering graduates in the country. We have more than 250 engineering colleges in the state. That is the strength. You are in a Silicon Valley, a home of 2.5 million IT professionals contributing to the global technology. But you should know that whereas San Francisco or California has only 1.3 million, but Bangalore has 2.5 lakh million engineers working here. This is the strength. This Indian Institute of Science, this is very globally recognized place. Why we made this as an important place is even at the earlier days of independence, starting 1902 and 1903, those days Maharaja gave this place to be established for the resources, aerospace, artificial, various things which has been cutting. And I thank the Indian Institute of Science who has been representing here, who has hosted here. This was established in 1909. This is the strength of Karnataka and Bangalore, which is on a place of research excellence and national building. It has produced distinguished scientists, engineers, global leaders who have shaped industry and public policy worldwide. Indian Institute of Science truly stands on a beacon of scientific excellence and national progress. So I'm very happy you all are here for the legacy of water management. Karnataka is a big, long and a glorious legacy of water management. This conference being held at the critical juncture of our nation. Most of our major dams we are constructing in this decade, following independence, inspired the vision of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, as my ACS said, who famously described our dams as the temple of modern India. My friend Mr. Patil was supposed to come and be a part of this great event, but due to Due to his preoccupation and his cabinet meeting, he could not come, but he has sent our state minister. I am very happy. Again, tomorrow my other minister is coming, but all his blessings are there in Karnataka. Today, many of these dams, about 60 to 70 years are old. Aging infrastructure demands renowned vigilance. As our World Bank Vice Chairman said about various issues, at the same time, climate change introduced new and unpredictable risks. Extreme rainfall events, floods, and erratic hydrological patterns have raised season concern across the country. Our ideological assumptions cannot guide future reservoir operation. Preparedness is not optional. It is very essential today. Dams symbolize the national strength. Dams are not merely structure of concrete, as you know. You all are engineers here. They are a collective symbol of national strength and progress. They secure our water future. They empower our farmers. They generate clean energy. They safeguard our communities. So a dam is a silent guardian to protect powering and the sustainable generation where water is harnessed widely for the civilized freshness. So today, it is the true strength of dam lies not only in merely how well it is built, but is how well it is monitored and managed every day. In India and Karnataka, today we have about India. We, as our friend said, that we have about 6,500 large dams, ranking third globally in numbers. Karnataka contributes about 232 dams. This is structured with a nationwide, which has a national framework. However, two-thirds of the India's large dams over last 25 years are old. This underscores the urgent need for systematic safety assessment and rehabilitation and modernization, which we have to do. Today, dam safety has therefore become a matter of national priority and rightly so stands on this transformative incentive. Today, as the World Bank Vice President was telling about the DRIP, the dam DRIP program, which was been launched in 2012 by Government of India with the World Bank assistance. They have helped us, the center and state partnership addressing very great challenges. So Karnataka is implementing DRIP phase 2, covering 58 dams and approved outlay. We are investing about 1,500 crores, focusing on the structural safety, surveillance and the long-term resilience. So Karnataka, I would like to highlight some of the major incentives. Now, as you all are in Bangalore, this is an important place. The population is about 1.5 crores. Lot of industries worldwide are looking at Bangalore. And India is seen through Bangalore. This is the big strength of Bangalore because of the weather and culture. The entire country want to shift here. The knowledge people want here. We need drinking water. This we have come out with a balancing reservoir project. Now the Supreme Court has left this issue open to the Water Commission, the central government, and now we are doing it at our own place. This will be the historic milestone favoring the judgment from we had a judgment from the Supreme Court, as I said. We are pursuing for our other clearance. This will be the lifeline for Bangalore and Karnataka to meet the growing drinking water needs while ensuring stipulated Kaveri water deliveries, generating about 400 megawatt of power, which will be. One more is that we have a Upper Krishna project stage 3. An award has been in. We came out with a new transparent policy. We are giving the farmers with a new act which has been cleared in 2013. It is a very big risk which you are taking in the interest of the farmers, but still government of Karnataka is committed to help these farmers. We have created a potential irrigation over 1.72 lakh acres up to December 25. So again, one thing I would like to tell you on the Dam Safety Act issue, we have come out with a policy, we have come out with the guidelines, I think, which is not practically feasible. I would like to, because a lot of tourism has to be looked at, where the dams are there, on the safety, on the downstreams. So I want the concerned people who are looking at to look at. I think they have given a instruction that more than 500 meters you should not do anything, but that is not the point. I would like to please see that it will be sorted out. We'll come out with a representation. I would like, on behalf of Karnataka, I respectfully request you to consider that whatever 500 meters you have blocked, that you should restrict the guidelines and be flexibility. We know that we want to compromise, we don't want to compromise on the safety of the dam. Let us all collectively join together. We know that water is wealth, water is power, water is life. As safeguarding that the water infrastructure is a collective duty, our dams are not merely engineering assets, they are the instrument of flood security, engineering security and social stability. Let us, in this great conference, let us produce strong recommendation, bold reforms and actionable strategies. I would like to assure you that Government of Karnataka stand firmly committed to make our state a national model in dam safety. One thing I would like to tell you, we will build, we will protect and we will lead. Karnataka is there. You all have come here. Joining together is the beginning. All of you thinking together will be progress. Let us all work together to safeguard our dams and see that our country and the world flourish. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you for coming. You should enjoy this weather. You should enjoy this culture. Evening, again at 6 o'clock, we would like to meet you. The Karnataka state government is hosting a dinner to you in the Vidhan Sauda. We wanted you to be the banquet hall. We will allow you to visit our assembly session, which is a historic place. Please let us all meeting in the evening, but you should have a beautiful discussion, beautiful papers. Almost 721 delegates have participated, 351 delegates across the country, and international delegates have been come. I would like to welcome all the international delegates and the guests from all over the country. Be safe, be comfortable. Karnataka is a very place for to live. You know, all the retired people once again come back to Bangalore to enjoy this lovely weather and culture. Once again, I would like to thank you. You should all be there. Once again, I'd like to thank Mr. Patil and the Mr. Central Minister who is here, and Mr. Yadav and the Water Commission Chairman for being a part of this great event and giving this opportunity to host and make Karnataka stands always committed with the interstate and the on this federal structure. Let us all work to make Karnataka and the country proud. Thank you all.
Thank you.